I want to show you how to create a market so you can list your token right here, there, and create. Yeah, it's created, so we can make the price up. Okay, look at that, it works. Here is the last transaction that we performed, and all of them works very well. Hi everyone, here's a quick update on DexGood. If you are new here, DexGood is our solution to some of the biggest problem in both centralized and decentralized trading. It's like front running, wash trading, and the exponential price curve found in AMMs. And what makes DexGood different? Every token on DexGood will have its own white paper signed by the token creator. Even news update will be cryptographically signed using the creator's private key. We're building with transparency, trust at the core. I believe the next altcoin wave is coming. If you are building something that solves a real world problem, list your token here because real solutions deserve real traction. We've made greatest progress. Now the UI looks almost like Binance but fully on chain. Let's jump into quick demo right here. Yeah, the first thing I want to show you, this is our landing page, and you can see right here, it's totally normal right here. And we connect the wallet into the apps, Web3 apps, inject, and then connect. And I want to show you how to create a market so you can list your token right here. I'm going to choose one of my token right here. Let's choose this one, and there, and create. I think it's created. Let's check on the blockchain. Yeah, let's check on the blockchain. Yeah, it's created. And let's jump into the market section right here. And this one, okay. And let's jump into my favorite market. And so we can perform the transaction right here. And I want to buy this token. I want to put that 2.88, and let's have half of them by, let's check right here, and it works. And let's test it once more. I want to put until 3 and put that 2 right here so we can make the price up. You can see right here. Okay, look at that, it works. And we can go into the blockchain explorer so we can inspect the transaction. Here is the last transaction that we performed, and all of them works very well. Okay, that's it for simple update. If you are going to Coinfest next month in Bali, let's meet up. I'd love to talk more about DexGood crypto and building the future of DeFi. And don't forget to follow me for more behind the scene updates as we continue building DexGood step by step.